Hello students, in last video lecture we studied lesson 1.3 the cop and the anthem. In this video lecture today we are going to learn next lesson 1.4 big data big insights. Before start the lesson let's see the icebreakers. Give business suggestion to the respective industry or company for the following situation. One is done for you. You have received data that A. Many passengers prefer morning flights between 7 am and 9 am from Mumbai to Delhi. On this view, the suggestion is that if the number of people they traveling early in the morning 7 am to 9 am from Mumbai or Delhi. You know that Mumbai or Delhi, these two are the biggest cities. So obviously crowded number of people were gathered on station. So according to the suggestion, increase the number of flights between 7 am and 9 am. Means people will travel from that. They should travel their convenience way and they should reach office at a time. So this is the suggestion. Now you have to find out another suggestion. I'll help you in that, don't worry, but try to guess and try to find out your suggestion. Second problem mentioned here, many students are opening for UPSC MPSC exams. Before that I would like to explain the concept of UPSC and MPSC. First one, UPSC is the Union Public Service Commission exam which take from central government of India, and MPSC means Maharashtra Public Service Commission which is under state government of Maharashtra. These two are the biggest competitive exams nowadays. So many students are opting for UPSC and MPSC exams. So what is your suggestions? You have to write. I would like to suggest here one important point. Increase the number of examination centers as well as job opportunities, because of number of youth they entered and they opting for UPSC and MPSC exams. So we must increase the number of examination center and we must create more job opportunity for that exams. Third one is that, see, many people go for morning walk to Kamla Nehru Park. Many people go for morning walk to Kamla Nehru Park. What is your suggestion? You have to write here. According to my view, I would like to suggest here, open the gates of the park earlier and close them only at noon. Also then clean the park in the previous night before closing or very early in the mornings. Means whenever people will come there for morning walk, for jogging purpose, that time the park should be clean and people they should walk in healthy atmosphere and healthy climate. So according to my view I suggest here. So as a student, what do you think? You have to just write your suggestion in your textbook. Next one is that many people buy clothes from miracle.com, an online shopping site. You know, nowadays there are so many online shopping sites such as Amazon, Flipkart. Some particular offers, some particular discounts will be there. So number of people they choose to buy different types of the websites. So here miracle.com, this website is given. So what is your suggestion? You have to write here. According to online shopping purpose, I would like to suggest here, increase the variety and brands in clothes, give discounts and incentive for to new and regular customer, start various schemes like cashback and different types of the schemes which accumulated by the customer oriented. What do you think? You have to write your own suggestion. Next one, the viewership on television is more between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. Means at evening night, number of people, number of viewers, they watching TV between 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. at night. Obviously, actually what happen at evening, number of people, mostly the each and every family member, they gathered at home, and in that time only people have to time to watching TVs. So my suggestion is that telecast serials with the highest TRPs and socially important ads like eye donation, polio drops, and some particular social responsible views we have to shown in that time, so people would get more aware for social problems. Next one, people get information from various sources. Can you name a few? First one here given here, Facebook. Actually today's age is a modern age, and you know that the digital world, and you know that now we have to suffering from COVID-19 crisis due to our lecture also is going on online basis. So today various sources to get more information or data. So here Facebook is given. What do you think about? You have to write, such as internet, WhatsApp, dictionary, encyclopedia, radio, newspaper, television, or so many. You have to just write if you know that more. Next one, look at the title, Big Data, Big Insights. Guess the meaning of the title, Big Data and Big Insights. Before that, we see the more information about what is big data. You know that data it means information, and big data it means obviously big informations, more informations. So what is the big data? Let's see. First I read the passage, then I'll explain. There is a revolution in the lifestyle of people which has been affected by big data. Our food habits, our healthcare, our traveling, our scientific pursuit, you name it, and everything has changed 360 degrees. The massive data available with us can really work wonders, friends. Do you know what happens when we like a post on Facebook or share a post on WhatsApp, visit any website, make online purchase, or watch videos? Yes, whatever activity we do online is recorded, monitored, and analyzed. So a huge amount of data is collected. Let me give you an idea of how huge the data might be. Big data can be petabytes. Here meaning petabytes meaning is given here. Petabyte means units of information equal to 1000 million. It is called petabytes. I repeat once again, petabytes it means units of information equal to 1000 million. It is called petabytes or exabytes. Data can be petabytes or exabytes of data consisting of billions or billions to trillions of records of millions of people. all from different sources. For example, web, sales, customer, contact center, social media, mobile data, and so on. The data available to industries and companies is enormously increasing in volume, variation, velocity, veracity, and value. Such a big data is easy to obtain but so massive that its challenges. The current computing technologies and hence big data analytics is used to give insights that were previously incomprehensible. Big data analytics is the complex process of examining large and varied data sets or big data to uncover information such as hidden patterns, unknown correlations, market trends, and customer preferences. With such a huge data available with the industries, they can have innumerable advantages. Hence, all the industries are trying to reap the maximum benefits from it. Many industries have advanced by miles from their competitors. It's not the amount of data that is important, but what the organization do with the data is what matters. So you'll get some idea about big data. Here the concept big data, which accumulated by the big sources of informations. Student, in our day-to-day life, you are using now one some specific example I would like to give you. Every morning on your WhatsApp, how many messages you collected, and in that messages, early morning to midnight, how many messages you will collected? Are you sure the messages are equal or similar? No, each and every message is different. Some messages which you received early in the morning, it is related to the good morning, have a nice day, like that. Some message birthday wishes, some message, some images, some inspirational motivational images, some messages information, anybody is dead, anybody's birthday, anybody is selected, anybody's or exam or results, whatever information you collected on WhatsApp. So here WhatsApp is your big data. Now according to that data, in our society there are so many groups such as media, social media, different types of the sources. In next part I'll explain the types of big data. So you know that what is the concept of big data. According to that, you collected so many information in different views, so it is called the big data. Big data which collected from the huge amount of the data, and it is the multiple views. Here the word use petabytes or exabytes. Look at this word, petabytes and or exabytes. It means what? Petabytes means units of information equal to 1000 million, and exabyte means units of information equal to 1 quintillion. So that is the huge difference between that. And every time, from internet, from customer contracts, customer contact center, social media, mobile data, so many data is used. So it is called the big data, and such a big data is easy to obtain, but the massive that its challenges. Every morning when we just open our mobile, that time so many messages are there, so many data. Within a month, 1 month, how many, can you tell me how many images we collected? No guess. But what after that? While we receiving one particular image, after our work we delete it. Why we delete it? Because our mobile should be hang or it should be problematic. So here, to maintain data, it is the biggest problems. So how to save this data? You know that some particular images, some pictures are useful, so we protect from that. And when we protect it, that time with the help of laptop, PC, we just collected it and we just put into storage systems with the help of pen drive and other sources. So here, this is the concept of big data, big insights. In that big data, there are so many information. So that's why the title is that big data, big insights. So in this video lecture, we studied the first passage, big data, big insights, and some icebreaker questions. In next video lecture, we will see about uses of data and more information about the big data. Thank you.